In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap at Notifications, and if you just want to temporarily turn off notifications on Instagram, you can activate this Pause All mode. You can tap at that button and then just choose some specific time in which all the notifications from Instagram app will be silenced. We can choose from 15 minutes up to 8 hours in this way. If you want quiet mode to turn on automatically at certain times, you can tap at quiet mode, then activate it, and then also you can configure from time and to time in that simple way. And all the notifications during that time will be muted. That's how you can easily turn on quiet mode on Instagram.